Hello and welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm starting on an 8-foot tabletop. So big in fact that I didn't actually have any workbenches that I could build an 8-foot worktop on. So using my tried and tested method, I've put together 2 workbenches next to each other here, basically by just stacking Euro pallets on top of each other, 6 high, put various wedges in various places, and I've now got a completely stable, completely flat, solid work area to work for the next however long it takes me to do this project. Okay, that's 40 of the bricks have now gone through the thicknesser, 4 batches of 10 that are all now matched in height. So I'm now going to do a dry fit, and I'm also going to make sure that I've got enough clamps, because when I start the glue up, I'm going to do the whole glue up in one go. So I need to be absolutely, completely and utterly convinced that the whole thing is going to work before I even start. Wish me luck.